Are you trying to choose between Arlo and Ring? Both are popular names in home security, but which one is right for you? In this video, we will compare Arlo and Ring to help you make a decision. Both tools offer smart security solutions for homes. They help you keep an eye on things even when you're away. Let's start with Arlo. Arlo cameras are known for their high quality video. They offer features like night vision and two-way audio. You can also access your footage from your phone. Arlo has a variety of models, from indoor cameras to outdoor ones. Their design is sleek and modern, making them easy to install. Now, let's look at Ring. Ring is famous for its video doorbells. These let you see who is at your door even from far away. Like Arlo, Ring also has cameras for inside and outside your home. They offer features like motion detection and live streaming. Ring has a strong focus on community alerts, which can be very helpful. So, what are the key differences? Arlo tends to have better video quality, especially in low light. Ring, on the other hand, offers more options for doorbell cameras. When it comes to features, both have mobile apps that are user friendly. Arlo has cloud storage options, while Ring offers a neighborhood watch feature. In terms of pricing, Arlo can be a bit more expensive, especially for higher end models. Ring usually has more budget friendly options, especially for their doorbells. So, who should choose what? If you want top notch video quality, go for Arlo. If you want a reliable doorbell camera and community features, Ring might be the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like